Are you looking for a house in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts? Well, Kev here, he's got you covered. We are at 482 Mill Street in Feeding Hills. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Kev, you got a nice one here.
Yes, I do.
All right, show us around.
Come on in.
We walk into this living room. It's very wide open here.
We have one big living area with a living room and kitchen.
Love the open floor plan here.
So this one has brand new floors throughout, a lot of storage with a full basement and full walk-up attic.
I love the convenient location right near the Agawam High School, and just hop right onto 57, you can get anywhere. If we go down the hall, we have a really nicely redone bathroom.
This is our full bath. Let's turn around and go check out the primary bedroom.
We've got right next to the primary another bedroom.
Absolutely, it's a great house. Come check it out.
If you think so too and you'd like a private showing, hit Kevin up.
Absolutely.
And as we come back through that big main room, we also have a third bedroom here.
This third bedroom is a great option for office as well.
All right, great backyard, all fenced in. If you're looking for some financing options, including the mass housing program that comes with up to $30,000 in down payment assistance, hit me up. I'd love to see if you qualify. This has been your local look, Feeding Hills. Appreciate you having us. We're out of here.